Hey guys, in today's video, going to be showing you how you can access secret menus on Netflix. So essentially, you're going to be able to filter by a ton of different categories, and I'll have the codes to all of these different categories that you can filter by down in the video description. As you can see, as I scroll through this website, there are a ton of them. I'll also link this website. So essentially what you need to do in a web browser is go to netflix.com/browse/genre and then another slash, and at the end, you're going to enter in whichever code that you want to filter by that particular genre. So let's just go through an example here. Let's say we want to do classic comedies. So then you would go to netflix.com/browse/genre/ and then you would type in 31694 for that example. And I'll click on it here just to show you that on Netflix, it takes us over, and the category here is classic comedies. And as we scroll down, we can see that it is filtered into the classic comedies genre. So again, I'm going to put all of these codes with their genres down in the video description so you can hand type it in to a browser if you want to do it that way. And I'll also link this website so that you can just simply click on the code and it will take you to that particular genre over at netflix.com. So I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for stopping by, and consider subscribing to the YouTube channel.